Hola, buenos dias. Hope everybody's doing very well. Today we're going to learn about the subjunctive. The subjunctive tense is an interesting tense to learn in Spanish because in English, we don't really change endings for it. We use either the present tense or the infinitive. And we don't do the same thing in Spanish where it's a complete different set of endings. So we're going to look at that today. And hopefully this makes sense as we go through it. And then there's some practice things to do on your own as we go from there. So the subjunctive tense in Spanish, it is the yo stem and opposite endings, just like our commands. Okay. If we take some verbs, we have mirar would be mire, mires, mire, miremos, mires, miren. It's an AR verb, and I put ER endings on it for the subjunctive tense. Yo stem, so a verb like hacer, which is hago, yo hago la tarea. You take that yo stem ag, and then you put opposite endings on it. ER and IR verbs have AR endings, and AR verbs have ER endings. So we have yo haga, tú hagas, él usted haga, nosotros hagamos, vosotros hagáis, ellas, ellos, ustedes hagan. And then the verb decidir, okay, we have decida, decidas, decida, decidamos, decidáis, decidan. So an example of the subjunctive, and to set up the subjunctive, I can use ojalá que, I can use espero que, quiero que, prefiero que. There's different things I can do, but I'm going to set up the subjunctive by using que and then using opposite endings. So what this one would look like is ojalá que tú no mires la tele. Hopefully you don't watch TV. Notice this is mires. It's not miras like it would be in the present, okay? So I want you to do your homework and to decide to learn would be yo quiero que tú hagas tu tarea y que decidas aprender. Notice this is the infinitive, and then this would be the present tense, but that's how we do the subjunctive tense. When we want someone else to do something, or hopefully someone does something, we're going to use the subjunctive tense, yo stem, opposite ending. So now we're going to do some more practice, and make sure you pause the video in between each one to give yourself some think time, and make sure you pause the video if you're still taking notes and give yourself a chance to do that, okay? So, el subjuntivo, the subjunctive, hopefully he can run tomorrow. Ojalá que él pueda correr mañana. I want you to write a letter. And remember, we're going to use que here, and we're going to use subjunctive. We're not just going to go into the infinitive, okay, like we do in English. So pause it and give yourself a chance to think. And then we have, yo quiero que tú escribas una carta. Okay. He wants me to speak Spanish. Pause. Él quiere que yo hable español. My mom wants me to have a job. Pause. Mi mamá quiere que yo tenga un trabajo. My dad wants me to think before I speak. Mi papá quiere que yo piense antes de hablar. And remember, after antes de or después de, you don't conjugate verbs. Okay? I want you to take out the trash. Pause. Yo quiero que tú saques la basura. Remember, with the verb sacar, those car verbs are going to, if you wanted to say que or case, you have to make it a QU because it's kase, si, ko, ku. So to make it a hard Q, you add a U. To make it a hard C, you add a U and change it to a QU. So, tú saques la basura. El subjuntivo, the subjunctive. Hopefully he can play soccer this year. Pause. Ojalá que él pueda jugar fútbol este año. She wants me to pay for the dinner. Pause. Ella quiere que yo pague por la cena. Pagar is a gar verb, and so remember it's ga, he, he, go, gu. To make it a hard G, you add a U, page. That way it's not paje, okay? My mom wants me to sleep for 9 hours. Pause. Mi madre quiere que yo duerma por 9 horas. Hopefully, I order a grilled steak. Pause. Ojalá que yo pida un filete a la parrilla. And I'll fix this. It should be a K right there, okay? Just like here. Ojalá que, okay? And then pedir is an IR verb, okay? And it's a stem changer, so you still do stem changes, okay? So it's yo form, opposite endings, and if it's a stem changing verb in the yo form, it's going to have a stem change. So pida, okay? Ojalá que yo pida un filete a la parrilla. I hope that she is okay tomorrow. Pause. Yo espero que ella esté bien mañana. I hope that you give me $5. Pause. Yo espero que tú me des $5. Unos verbos irregulares, okay? Some irregular verbs, okay? Because remember, it's yo stem opposite endings, but these ones are not yo stem opposite endings. These ones are completely irregular, okay? And we know these from the command tenses, okay? So we have vaya, vayas, vaya, vayamos, vayáis, vayan para el verbo ir. Ser is sea, 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 seamos, seáis, sean. And saber is sepa, sepas, sepa, sepamos, sepáis, sepan. I want you to know that I hope you go to Spain. Pause. Yo quiero que tú sepas que yo espero que tú vayas a España. She wants me to be taller and to be a basketball player. Pause. Ella quiere que yo sea más alto y que yo sea un jugador de baloncesto. Okay, so that is the subjunctive tense. Hopefully that makes sense. Give you guys work where you're going to have to do that. Okay, so make sure that you use the yo stem and opposite endings for the subjunctive tense. And anyway, I'll look forward to seeing you guys use this in the future. And keep working hard, and you're doing a great job.